this video I am going to show you how to turn on email notifications on the Instagram application or the instagram.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. After that, go to your home page and tap on your account name on the right side corner, then tap on edit profile. Click on email notifications, and here you can find a bunch of options that you can turn on, such as feedback emails. So give feedback on Instagram, you can turn it on and off. Reminder emails can be turned on and off, as well as product emails to get tips and resources about Instagram tools. You can get email notifications when there's a new Instagram feature, or get updates by support or via support emails on reports and violations of community guidelines. So just simply tap on the relevant ones and then they will be updated automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.